Good evening. It's James from Pipe Doctor Home Services, and it is Thursday, June 25th. It's the end of the day. You think I would know the date by now. I just want to give a quick shout out to Christie's Tea Corner. Not paid promotion or anything like that, but they reached out and they were like, hey, we want to design you a shirt, send it out to you, and if you can hook us up with a shout out. So I was like, sure, no problem. I'll put a link in the description down below. If you were to order anything from that link, I don't get paid, but $5 gets donated to the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy Travel Organization. It's a mouthful, which is cool. So if you want to help contribute and also get something out of it, it's definitely something super nice. I'll show you the shirt right now. Pretty nice shirt. Good material. They came up with the design. People watch me fight leaks. But yeah, 1K celebration shirt. It's pretty epic. I appreciate them sending this out to me. Thank you guys so much. And make sure you watch all the way to the end, because at the end of the video I have a very special clip of me impersonating one of my coworkers. It's gonna be at the very end of the video, so you gotta watch the whole way through. Don't skip, don't cheat, all right? I'll let you guys guess who I am impersonating. All right, so enjoy the video, check out the end, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Okay, so we got a Burnham Series 2. It's an ES25B from 2013. We're getting an error code 5 on the IQ option panel. So this is pretty much just a remake of one of Mike's videos. But it'd be fun to show me doing it. Sorry, I'm distracted by putting stuff away because I already know what's wrong. If we take this limit switch, this port out of here, and we jump out these two blue wires, we should get ignition from the burner. Give that a second. Vent damper is opening. Now, if this didn't work, this would be replaced. We got spark, flame proving. Let's see, it's number 7, flame proving. And we have STA8, which is flame running. So this option control board is bad, so we're gonna get that swapped out. And luckily, since I am employed by Mikey Pipes, we are fully stocked and prepared on our truck. Here's the new control panel. Get that into place. Clipped in like that. Get that back on. That back on. Get TT wired in. I do have power off to the boiler, so. Okay, so that's good, that's good. Here's the old panel. I just like to take a picture so that this way, later when I'm restocking my truck. Today is 6/23. See, Daniel was here. Boiler control. Oh, okay, so we've been through a couple variety of things here. Alright, So let's get this back on. Let's just make sure it fires up first, and then we will work on our combustion analysis. That little jumper wire I had. Okay. Going through sequence of operations. In the meantime, I'm gonna get my testo ready. And come on. We got flame improving right now. Yep. Voila. I can get my testo to turn on. There she is. It's currently not even 7:30 in the morning. Okay. Get this thing set up. Come on. Gotta wait for it to purge. Alright, I'll cut back to this. I just got a warning on my testo that the battery capacity is low, so I need you guys to remind me to replace them. So far, so good. Okay, we're gonna clipboard that. And a second here. Okay. Because I do want to make sure that before my battery runs out, I have good draft. So let's see. That battery has been in here since I've started. I started January 13th, I believe. And it's now June 23rd. It's almost like 5 months of non-stop testing. I forgot to set up my printer. Come on. Like I said, too early. Okay, add my analysis to the list of all the other ones. I don't know how the hell Daniel. Let's do it like this. Today's 6/23, 26. This way, for some reason, if you ever can't see the history or whatever the case, someone can come in and be like, oh, that's what we did. Alright, so she's back up and running. Boiler's satisfied at 170-ish degrees. Let's see our supply and our return. Oh yeah, that's toasty. That's hot. Yep. So hopefully within the next half hour or so, their domestic hot water should be back up to temperature. And I can skedaddle. We up here on the roof of the post office. Sturdy. Shit, no cap.